Hi guys, I'm outside number 23 Wheeler Place in Minto. You are within 10 minutes walk, 5 to 10 minutes walk to Al Faisal School. This house is a renovator's delight. So if you're looking for something where you could add value, you could spend a bit of money, fix up the kitchen, bathroom, just nice coat of paint. It's 3 bedrooms, 560 square meter block, absolutely stunning. You're mostly buying the land on this one. The owners are realistic, they're here to sell, they want to sell. So if you are looking for something like that, give me a quick thing. This is the place. Those cockatoos, they come for free. So this is the place. This is all going to get lawn mowed tomorrow. And you've got the reserve at the back. So literally,
come back this way if you want him instead of going up the side.
yes, definitely. And that's the house. So easy granny flat potential over here. Nothing to worry about. Good side access. This is clear beauty, clear winner.